Ever deleted an important email from your Hotmail junk folder by mistake? Don't worry. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted junk emails from your Hotmail or Outlook account in just a few minutes. Whether it was an accidental click or a message you realized you needed later, you can get it back easily. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click on Sign In and enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address and password to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Outlook inbox. On the left-hand side, you'll see several folders: Inbox, Sent Items, Junk Email, and more. Now, to recover a deleted junk email, click on Deleted Items. This folder temporarily stores any messages you've deleted, including those from your junk folder, before they're permanently erased. Take a look through the emails listed there. If you see the one you're looking for, simply right-click it and choose Move to Inbox or any folder you prefer. But what if it's not in the Deleted Items folder? Don't panic. Outlook has one more recovery option. At the top of the Deleted Items folder, you'll see a link that says Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click on it. This opens up a special recovery panel showing messages that were recently removed but can still be restored. Scroll through the list and select the emails you want to bring back. Once selected, click Recover and Outlook will automatically return them to your Deleted Items folder or directly to your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted Hotmail junk emails. To avoid losing messages in the future, consider checking your junk email settings. Sometimes Outlook's spam filter can be a bit too aggressive. Adjusting those filters ensures important emails don't get lost again. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or email recovery issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.